Remember the last time you needed to send a message or tell someone where you were, but for some reason you couldn't? That's because there were probably too many people around you. Or you were too far from a tower. Or maybe the network was down. And you probably saw this, or one of these. That's all about to change with Gotenna. Gotenna pairs wirelessly with your smartphone, making it possible to text and share your location with anyone else who also has one, even when you don't have service. No need for cell towers, Wi-Fi, or satellites. With Gotenna, you can communicate no matter what. Find friends even when the rest of the crowd is struggling to get their message through. Gotenna's great for travel because it works anywhere in the world. Explore and roam for free. And if there's an emergency, you can send a message to all Gotennas within range. Because here's the thing, cell phones are great, but there's a lot of situations when they're just not that reliable. It's time to start your own network and make no service, no problem. Gotenna.
Wouldn't it be magical to be a fly on the wall? To capture all of life, unhinged as it happens. Never again to be bound by gravity or limited by imagination. Welcome to the future of video. Welcome to 360 Fly. The 360 Fly is our first offering to highlight this new platform. 360 Fly allows for capturing all of life's moments as they happen, missing nothing. No longer is video biased by the individual taking the video. No longer are some of life's actors left out. No longer does capturing and sharing 360 video require more than just one finger. Welcome to the future.
Yes.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Ratio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Ratio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Ratio.
Ring Alarm is a whole home security system that you can install yourself. Customizable to fit any home and integrated seamlessly with your other Ring devices. So if anything happens, your cameras can record automatically, all backed by professional monitoring and emergency response included with your Ring Protect Plus plan. Pair Ring Alarm with select Alexa devices to arm and disarm hands-free. Ring Alarm is home security on your terms.
We weren't just looking for an alarm system. We weren't just looking for a camera system. We wanted kind of a little of everything. The Ring system is incredibly easy to add and change and customize to whatever you're doing.